I mean, we couldn't figure out which meat we liked the best.
Mac and cheese, and we've had all,
Yeah.
It's all good. All very good.
It's all very good. I mean, I'm not a big mac and cheese fan, but your stuff is
excellent.
excellent. It's a fun atmosphere. People
Relax.
come out here and have a good time. We come out here and have a good time.
It's very
And
relaxing.
we eat great food, and we're served by wonderful people. So we have been recommending it, and we will continue to. Any deer hunter that doesn't go in that gift shop
Yeah, just to see the mounts.
just to see the mouse.
And the knives are phenomenal, and the samples are
Yeah,
great.
the sausage is excellent. I mean, it's full of good products. And like I said, the scenery in there, the mounts are phenomenal. It's fun. The food is phenomenal. The
Great
people are
kids.
better.
Kid friendly,
You get to see some amazing animals and some amazing mounts, and
amazing people.
yeah,
There's nothing else like it around in the area either. I mean, it's like with the music and just the atmosphere of the outside. It's just
it's a first-class operation and run by first-class people. So you got a wonderful staff here. You just do it right.
thank you for providing it, because it's great for us to be able to come and do this.
Obviously, we like it. This is the third time in 5 weeks we've been here. Friends and family, we've been recommending it
Everyone,
to everyone. If you're thinking about coming, just do it.
just come.
Just come.